was James Lind? And why did vitamins used to be called vitamins? Let's find out. Use this mnemonic to help you remember the names of the vitamins. Amazingly, 9 bees crawled down and entered kayaks. Vitamins were originally named vitamines by Polish scientist Casimir Funk in 1912 because he thought they had amines. He was wrong. Let's start with vitamin A, of which one form is known as retinol. It's used in making visual pigments and maintaining your epithelial tissues. You can find it in green vegetables and milk. People who have deficiencies in vitamin A might experience xerophthalmia, which leads to night blindness and flaky skin. To help you remember the names given to the B-complex vitamins, use this mnemonic. The rhythm next to the piano proved contagious. Vitamin B1 is thiamine. B2 is riboflavin. B3, niacin. B5, pantothenic acid. B6, pyridoxine. And B12, cyanocobalamin. Vitamin B2 was discovered by a German scientist named Richard Kuhn in 1922. He went on to win the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1938, but was later strongly criticized for his support of the Nazi Party. Let's start with vitamin B1, thiamine. Its function is to remove CO2 in cell respiration. You can find it in meats, grains, and legumes. Deficiency symptoms lead to a condition known as beriberi. Riboflavin's function is that it aids in metabolism of macromolecules. It can be found in green vegetables, eggs, and meat. One of the deficiency symptoms is chelosis. Dermatitis, diarrhea, dementia. These are known as the 3 Ds of pellagra. They're caused by a deficiency in vitamin B3. Niacin's function is that it's part of coenzymes NAD+ and NADP+, which protect from reactive oxygen species. It can be found in lean meats. A disease caused by deficiencies in niacin is pellagra. Vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid's function is to help with carbohydrate and fat metabolism. It can be found in salmon, avocados, and chicken. Deficiencies in vitamin B5 can result in fatigue, and it can interfere with wound healing. When your body doesn't get enough vitamin B12, it can result in something called pernicious anemia, and this will cause your body to not produce enough red blood cells. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, functions as a coenzyme in the metabolism of amino acids, can be found in vegetables and meats. Deficiencies in vitamin B6 can result in anemia and irritability. Vitamin B12 acts as a coenzyme in the production of nucleic acids. It can be found in red meat and dairy products. Deficiencies in cyanocobalamin can result in a condition known as pernicious anemia. In the 1700s, a Scottish doctor named James Lind was treating patients in the Royal Navy who had suffered some unusual symptoms, and he discovered that within 6 days of giving them oranges and lemons, their symptoms started to get better. James Lind was a Scottish doctor who in the 1700s proposed a hypothesis that the disease scurvy amongst members of the Royal Navy was caused by a lack of citrus fruits in their diet. He observed one of the symptoms that they had scorbutic gums. The function of vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is helping resistance to infection and the formation of collagen. It can be found in fruits and leafy green vegetables. Deficiencies in ascorbic acid can result in a disease known as scurvy. Vitamin D, also known as calciferol, helps with calcium absorption and bone formation. It can be found in dairy products. Deficiencies in vitamin D can result in rickets. The function of vitamin E is to protect fatty acids in cell membranes from oxidation. It can be found in green leafy vegetables. Deficiencies in tocopherol can result in nerve and muscle damage. Vitamin K is important in blood clotting. It can also be found in green leafy vegetables, and deficiencies in vitamin K can result in severe bleeding. Thanks everyone for watching my latest science video. And please don't forget to subscribe.
Wait a second.
What's up?
Brian, aren't you going to mention how the CDC urges women to take 400 micrograms of folic acid every day, starting at least 1 month before getting pregnant to help prevent major birth defects?
I mean, it sounds important, but the video is over, so I don't really see why I would put that in.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. It's so important. You have to add it.
No, I don't think I will.